Today we're gonna make another Disney classic, churros.
Ooh.
The little versions, churro bites.
They shared it a couple of months ago on their site. Yeah, we're trying to recreate them. Need some butter.
Water. Pinch of salt.
And just a little bit of ground cinnamon. It's like a quarter of a teaspoon.
Now we're gonna heat it up. And when it's boiling, it's ready. When the butter is melted enough, what should we do then?
Mix it with the flour.
Yes, you
So
have to make the, put it down.
Oh.
Make it to one giant dough.
Be
So
careful, kids.
We have to mix it together and make one giant.
Looks a bit like custard. Was
This.
stir custard. But to me everything looks like custard.
If it's hard enough, it's custard in your eyes.
I'm gonna take you on an adventure. Just gonna make the bowl like this. And what's the next step?
Next step is wait for 5 minutes until it's cooled down for a little bit. And we can put some eggs in it.
Dough has rested for 5 minutes. So we're gonna watch how Mark will add the eggs. One by one.
One by one.
You know that the churros are a Spanish snack.
I heard it, but I didn't know it. Put the next egg in. What do you think? Next egg?
Next egg.
We need a piping bag.
I need some plant-based oil.
And some plant-based oil.
You need to heat it up to 180 degrees Celsius. I think that's 350 Fahrenheit.
In the meantime, the oil is heating. I will mix the sugar with the cinnamon. It's ready. So they are ready.
Under a minute. Well, about a minute. This is how they look like. Potato tots.
Watch out, they're very hot.
Very, very hot. Well, these weren't what we hoped they were. A little bit too long on the fire, but these look so good. And then we put one of them.
And the sugar with cinnamon.
This is how they look like. Look at that. How amazing.
What do you think?
The nozzle needs to be a little bit in between.
so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our Disney related videos.